Hi, this is Paulina again, an application engineer at Emlid. This video will show you how to post-process your data using the kinematic processing workflow in Emlid Studio. First, let's look at what's behind the feature. With kinematic processing, you can post-process raw data collected without a real-time correction link between a base and a rover and get a precise track of measurements. This workflow is often used when it's impossible to perform a survey in RTK mode because of poor environmental conditions for the use of LoRa radio, or because it's impossible to use Entrep service or Entrepcaster due to the non-availability of reliable internet connection. And one last point, the advantage of this technique is that it can be used as a backup for RTK. To get the data for the workflow, you'll need to log raw data on both base and rover. Now it's time to move on to the field. First, you should decide how you want to set up your base. Check out the series of guides on base setup methods in our docs. The link is in the description below. Then, make sure that you're in an open area with a clear sky view and, using the tripod, place your base. After that, configure and login settings and complete the setup by choosing the base's coordinates entry method. Finally, you can proceed with the rover. Provided with a clear sky view, configure the same login settings you used for the base, and enable log recording on both units. To get the track of measurements, you should have the following files: a Rhinox observation file from a base, a Rhinox observation file from a rover, a Rhinox navigation file from a base or from a rover. If your raw data logs are in the UBX format, Emlid Studio will automatically convert them to the Rhinox 303 format using the background conversion feature. Let's post-process the files using the kinematic processing workflow. Add the Rhinox observation file from the rover. Set the antenna height. By default, Emlid Studio uses information on the antenna type and height from the Rhinox file. If you haven't specified the pole height when recording logs, you can enter it manually. Add the Rhinox observation file from the base. Set the base coordinates. By default, the Rhinox header position is used. If you placed your base over the point with known coordinates, enter them manually, including the antenna height. Add the Rhinox navigation file from the base or rover. Click Process and wait until the solution is ready. Emlid Studio will show it on the plot. This is how easily you can post-process your kinematic data in Emlid Studio to get a continuous track of measurements. In the next video, we will tell you about the drone data processing workflows.